Hello, my name is Jake Taylor. I'm the chef and owner at Tuck Shop Kitchen in Toronto. We're a small takeaway restaurant that basically produces everything in-house. And today I'm going to give you some tips on how we make our house-made bacon.
Juicy, juicy, juicy. Juicy beef.
The first and most important thing that we do that's a lot different from other places is we actually air dry our bellies before they go into the smokers. It'll allow them to kind of suck up a little more of that smoke. You can air dry basically anything before it goes on your grill, whether it be your ribs, your chicken, your briskets. Just let it sit out a little bit and kind of start to develop that crust before it even hits the smoke. The second tip would be to preheat your smoker. Make sure it's at the right temperature and it's sitting for a little while. As soon as you put your bacon, your meat, anything into it, it's gonna drop in temperature right away. So make sure it's reached and held that optimal temperature that you're looking for before you put anything in. Third tip that I would say, especially for the bacon, is leave it alone. We set specific timers for when we should rotate, when we should check, but outside of that, we never open the door. We want that thing to hold at that temperature with the smoke rolling through it as undisturbed as possible for the whole duration of the smoke. Fourth tip for the bacon would be to let it rest. It's got to come out of that smoker and slowly work its way down to room temperature before you put it in the fridge. All of these items are going to contract and start to lose the juices, and the faster that process happens, generally the more of the liquid that you're going to lose, and it'll dry out the product. The fifth tip would always be to chill it fully before you slice it. I see a lot of people getting excited. They take their bacon out of the smoker, they want to try it right away, and it just tears through the meat. If you let it chill overnight, you can take the skin off in the morning and you'll get those perfect breakfast slices. Again, my name is Jake Taylor from the Tuck Shop Kitchen, and those would be my 5 tips for smoking the best bacon.
Juicy, juicy, juicy.